This company makes windows using most thermally insulating materials on Earth. Windows have come a long way over the last 100 years, from the inefficient single-pane windows of the 1900s to the modern multi-pane window of today. There have been huge improvements, but still window remains one of the weakest points in a building's thermal envelope. Compared to insulated walls, modern windows still allow significantly more heat gain loss throughout the seasons. Aeroshield, born out of MIT, is exploring a new approach that could change the game.
We are working on a transparent aerogel material that can drop inside of windows and insulated glass as it's being made to cut energy losses in half.
But what is an aerogel?
An aerogel is anything that is more than 50% porous, and those pores have to be smaller than 50 nanometers on average. So this means that, when you think about a porous material, normally those are pores that we can see, and when you break open the material, you can see those little holes. An aerogel is going to have pores that are orders of magnitude smaller than visible light, which gives it really unique combinations of properties. And in Aeroshield's case, we make a silica aerogel that enables it to be super insulating and ultra clear.
But what does it mean for average person?
The idea is that if you have, like 90% of homes, a double pane window in your home, we can attach just 4 millimeters of this aerogel material to one piece of glass, and that will stop 65% of the heat loss going through your window. If you're a homeowner, that would translate to as much as reducing your energy bill by half. So it can have a really big impact on what you pay day to day.
We checked out some of their aerogel scrap, and it's not what you expect.
And so it's very flexible, but people think about glass materials and you think, oh, it's very brittle, which cantilever material is very brittle, but it's also much more flexible than people would expect. So it can deform a lot more, which is good because that means once we put this material inside of a window, the glass in the window might deform due to wind, due to pressures, and this can flex way more than the window. And so once we have it protected inside, it's very stable.
In January 2024, Aeroshield received a $610,000 M2I2 grant from the Massachusetts Center for Advanced Manufacturing. This grant supported the manufacturing of their cutting-edge insulating transparent inserts for windows.